In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create micro camera animal and insect videos using only free AI tools. This niche is exploding right now and has huge viral potential, so don't miss this opportunity. So for this video, you'll get a complete master prompt and you'll find its link in the description. You'll also get the direct file link inside our WhatsApp channel, so you can download it from anywhere, whichever is easier for you. This master prompt is universal, and you can create numerous different insects and animal videos using this only single prompt. Make sure you carefully copy the entire master prompt. After copying it, we'll go to ChatGPT. Once you paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, it will automatically generate a list of 15 insects or small animals. You can choose any one of them. If you want to create a video on something that is not in the list like ants, you can simply type the name directly and it will work without any issues. For this tutorial, let's assume we're creating a trapdoor spider video. If trapdoor spider appears at number 14 in the list, just type 14 and click send. If you want to create a different insect or animal, you can directly reply with its name instead. As soon as you click send, ChatGPT will generate one image prompt for creating the initial image and 5 motion prompts for video generation. First, we'll create the image and then we'll use those motion prompts to generate the video. For both image and video generation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. To generate the image, go to the Grok Imagine section, copy the full image prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the Type to Imagine box. Select Image. Choose the 9:16 aspect ratio and click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll get an ultra-high detail image. Select the image you like the most. To animate it, click on the Edit icon and then choose the Make Image option. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first motion prompt, paste it into the box, and click Generate. You'll now get a video. If you like the result, you can continue. And if you don't, you can simply regenerate it without worrying about limits. Once you're satisfied with the video, upscale it. After the upscaling is complete, click on the Extend from Frame option. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it, and generate again. This will seamlessly extend your video while maintaining the highest quality. Follow the same process for all the remaining motion prompts. Each time, upscale the video, extend from the last frame, paste the next prompt, and generate again. After completing all the prompts, you'll have your final video ready. Just upscale the final output and download it to your device. That's all for today's video, and we'll meet again in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.